British Army tests combat drone from moving tanks. In modern warfare, speed, precision, and adaptability are everything. The battlefield is no longer defined by soldiers and heavy armor, it's increasingly shaped by cutting-edge technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fascinating development that could redefine how armies operate in combat zones: the British Army testing combat drones launched directly from moving tanks. Imagine this scenario. A heavily armored tank rolls across rough terrain, its engine roaring, tracks grinding against dirt and debris. Traditionally, this vehicle's role would be straightforward: engage enemy targets, provide cover, and push forward. But now, something new happens. From the top of the tank, a small drone launches into the air, quickly gaining altitude and scanning the horizon. Within seconds, it feeds real-time intelligence back to the crew inside the armored vehicle. The British Army has been experimenting with integrating drone technology directly into its armored units. The goal is simple but powerful: extend the tank's vision beyond what human eyes and traditional sensors can see. Tanks have always been limited by line of sight. Hills, buildings, forests, these obstacles can hide threats until it's too late. But with drones, those limitations begin to disappear. These combat drones are designed to be compact, durable, and quick to deploy. Unlike larger military drones that require runways or dedicated launch systems, these smaller units can be launched on the move. That's a crucial advantage. Stopping a tank in a combat zone, even for a short time, can make it vulnerable. By launching drones while moving, the tank maintains momentum and reduces risk. Once airborne, the drone becomes the tank crew's eyes in the sky. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging, it can detect enemy positions, track movement, and even identify hidden threats. In some cases, these drones can fly several kilometers ahead of the tank, providing early warnings and allowing crews to plan their next move with far greater accuracy. But surveillance is just one part of the story. Some of these drones are being tested with offensive capabilities as well. That means they're not just observing, they can engage targets. Imagine a drone spotting an enemy position behind cover. Instead of the tank exposing itself to fire, the drone can move in and neutralize the threat. This adds a new layer of tactical flexibility and significantly reduces risk to soldiers. Another important advantage is communication. On a chaotic battlefield, maintaining situational awareness is incredibly difficult. These drones can act as mobile communication relays, helping units stay connected even in environments where signals are weak or disrupted. Military strategy has always evolved alongside technology. From the introduction of gunpowder to the rise of mechanized warfare, each innovation has changed how wars are fought. Drones are the latest chapter in that evolution. What makes this development particularly interesting is how seamlessly drones are being integrated into existing systems. Rather than replacing tanks, drones are enhancing them. This reflects a broader shift in military thinking. Instead of relying on a single powerful system, modern forces are building networks of interconnected tools. Tanks, drones, infantry, and command systems all work together, sharing information in real time. This creates what's often called a network-centric battlefield, where knowledge and coordination are as important as firepower. Launching drones from moving tanks may sound straightforward, but it involves complex engineering. The drone must remain stable during launch despite the tanks and vibrations. It must quickly establish a secure communication link. And it must be rugged enough to operate in harsh environments: dust, rain, extreme temperatures. There are also concerns about electronic warfare. In modern conflicts, signals can be jammed or intercepted. If a drone loses connection, it could become useless or worse, fall into enemy hands. That's why developers are focusing heavily on secure communication systems and autonomous capabilities, allowing drones to continue operating even if contact is temporarily lost. Another issue is cost. Advanced drones with high-end sensors and weapons systems are not cheap. Equipping every tank with multiple drones could be expensive. However, as technology advances and production scales up, costs are expected to decrease over time. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits are hard to ignore. For soldiers on the ground, this technology could significantly improve safety. Having a drone scout ahead reduces the likelihood of ambushes. It provides critical information before decisions are made. And in high-risk situations, it offers an alternative to direct engagement. For commanders, it means better situational awareness. Decisions can be based on real-time data rather than incomplete information. That can lead to faster, more effective operations. And for the future of warfare, it signals something bigger. Soldiers are no longer operating alone, they are supported by a network of intelligence systems that extend their capabilities. Drones launched from moving tanks are just one example of this trend, but they highlight how quickly things are changing. Future drones may use artificial intelligence to identify threats automatically. They may operate in swarms, coordinating with each other to cover larger areas. They may become faster, quieter, and harder to detect. And tanks themselves may evolve alongside these technologies, becoming more like mobile command centers than traditional armored vehicles. Countries that successfully integrate these technologies into their military forces could gain a significant advantage. Speed, information, and precision will increasingly determine outcomes in conflicts. And systems like these could tip the balance in critical moments. At the same time, it raises important questions about ethics and control. As drones become more capable, decisions about their use become more complex. How much autonomy should they have? Who is responsible for their actions? These are questions that militaries and societies will need to address. For now, the British Army's tests represent an important step forward. As technology continues to advance, one thing is clear: the battlefield of tomorrow will look very different from the battlefield of today. And it might just start with a drone launching from a moving tank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the technologies shaping our world.